Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Fantastic. Listen, Ethereum Classic continues to be pumping. Some people thought, reversals are coming in just because there were some rejections, but no, it continues to pump very, very well. And fundamentally, it is looking the best it possibly can. And I'll tell you exactly why right now. So pretty much, right, the market loves when something goes in a staircase type form. It is the healthiest for the market, and we could see that Ethereum Classic is doing exactly that in terms of support and resistance. In terms of retesting, right, it goes up, staircase, up, right? That is where we're at currently, and it is looking very, very, very strong. This is how the monthly candle looks right now, which is a great sign because just visually, right, you can tell the last time we had anything close to this big was in July of 2022. But as you know, the market was already going downhill at that point. So the context was different, right? This was just a big retracement for a retest to go and sell lower, right? But the context here is different, right? We could also see visually that this candle has just ate up the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 months of work, right? So clear momentum shift, right? For those that are holding this coin, you should be really, really happy because the future is only green for this coin, let me tell you. Ethereum has also been pumping, which is always a bonus for something like Ethereum Classic. Yes, I know in general, the whole market is going up. We are seeing a lot more volume and a lot more money. But overall, just in terms of Ethereum Classic, right, it is looking good because some projects are still sleeping. Some are still dying off. Some are also pumping a little harder, but that is okay because each coin is on its journey. And today, and in this video in particular, the only focus is Ethereum Classic. So what's up with Ethereum Classic? Where do I think it's going to go? I'm not going to give anything too short term, right? I could give you a very short term actually. So short term, we're going to be probably retesting this 35 area, right? We have lots of rejections over here. We could even spike further up to potentially 38, but overall, this is the next point for Ethereum Classic, right? Wouldn't be surprised if we get a small sell-off, possibly down to 27 area, but I wouldn't really go past that unless something seriously changes with the market. Other than that, guys, right, for me, like I said, I believe we are going to be taking all-time highs for Ethereum Classic at the minimum. So even if you were to get in right now, for me, that would be almost a 6x, right? 5.7 times your money. So looking really, really good, right? I gave price predictions before where I think Ethereum Classic can also hit a price like 250, 300s, and in the best case scenario where it spikes, it might not be there for very long, but where it spikes, it could even go up to $500, but that is on the more optimistic side, right? So, on the realistic side, you can still get an 8x. If things look a little bit better, you can almost get a 10x. And obviously, in a more optimistic world, where there's even more and more money coming in and more innovation and things changing for Ethereum Classic, we could see a 16x potential. But I would have to update you guys in the future when we're closer to that price target.